Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Download mailspring by running the following command. This will download the latest dev package from the GitHub. After downloading, install the dev package using the following command. Once installed, you can launch mailspring from the application menu or run mailspring command in the terminal. That's it. You should now have mailspring installed and ready to use on your Ubuntu system. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.